Hi, my name is Alexis, and I'm a physical therapist here at Performance Physical Therapy. I wanted to introduce you to our Biosway machine. So the Biosway is an instrument that can be used for both assessment and treatment purposes of patients suffering from balance deficits. These deficits can arise from a variety of conditions such as musculoskeletal, neuromuscular, or generalized deconditioning in different populations. The Biosway allows us to gain objective data regarding this individual's balance to determine if they are at risk for falling. A patient who has a high fall risk is placing themselves in danger when walking within the community or depending on the severity of the deficit, even within their home. The Biosway works by measuring the amount of movement that's occurring in our feet under different balance conditions. The test consists of 4 30-second trials. As you can see here, Ashley is performing a trial which consists of standing on a hard surface with her eyes closed. The test can be varied by adding a foam topper to the foot plate, which then increases the challenge placed on our balance system. Here Ashley is completing the 4th of the trials, which is consisting of having her eyes closed and standing on the foam balance. At the end of the test, we can see the amount of movement that was occurring in her feet on the screen. Once the test is complete, the machine gives us a printout consisting of 2 graphs for each trial. The graphs are broken down to compare your score to the overall normative values to determine your fall risk. It also prints out a graph showing how much foot movement was occurring during the balance trials. So we can see in a situation like this, where somebody is moving around a lot more, they're more unstable than in the second graph. Once the initial assessment is complete, there are different interactive training games that we can use throughout the Biosway, which help strengthen an individual's balance strategies. These games help work on postural stability and your control when weight shifting throughout different positions. So here's an example of one of the interactive games that we can have patients participate in to practice that weight shifting and improving their balance under different conditions. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I hope you enjoyed learning about the Biosway.